let me take this opportunity and talk about the Bennett University, from where I am representing as Vice President Marketing and Admissions for them. And as the presentation says that we have seen the tremendous growth in just 9 years of our journey. So I think मेरिट और हमारी जर्नी साथ साथ शुरू हुई. हमने 2016 में अपना इंस्टीट्यूशन एस्टैब्लिश किया with the powerful legacy of Times of India Group, 186 years of Times of India Group, and Bennett University was the inception of our Honorable Chancellor, MD Times of India, Shri Vineet Jain ji. So under his leadership, we started this institution, and I joined them in their journey, and it's my 5th academic year with them, so I have seen the journey going on for long. And Benetto ने हमें कभी भी ऐसा feel नहीं होने दिया that they are vendors for us. They have always been part of our journey. They have always been part of Bennett itself. So मैं और मेरी team, my all colleagues will vouch for that कि हमें हमेशा ऐसे ही लगा कि Benetto means our people only.
So हमने कभी ऐसे नहीं सोचा. हमें जो भी चाहिए, हमें जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन एक्सरसाइजेस चाहिए होती थी, we used to call them and they said चिंता नहीं करिए, next 6 months you will get that as well. बट अभी बहुत सारी ख्वाहिशें हैं सूरज हमारी. होपफुली हम इस ख्वाहिशों को आज भी शेयर करेंगे और बहुत सारा आपके लिए भी होमवर्क छोड़ के जाएंगे, चाहे आप हमारे लिए होमवर्क बहुत सारा देते हैं. थैंक यू. So moving on to our first slide, which says that we launched in 2016. Of course, the mission was to come up for preparing India to move with the times. तो youth को nurture करना, it was very close to our chancellor. So we also came up with that inception itself. Established in 2016. जब शुरुआत की थी तब इतने programs नहीं थे. We just started with our management program and then slowly to the engineering, then to the law, then through the media, engineering, artificial intelligence, design. I listened a lot about artificial intelligence and very well said कि अब वो buzz नहीं रह गया. I think it's becoming a part of everyone's life. अब हम में से कोई अलग नहीं बात करना चाहता. We know that what it is. And then journey continued. We keep on adding the programs year on year. 30 plus programs हो चुके हैं. We have just recently added 5-6 more programs. Another 4 programs we will be announcing another week. So 40 plus programs, Indian and international, both we are running at Bennett University. And very proudly, just in the 9 years of our journey, जिसमें मैं 2 years discount कर दूँ तो hardly 7 years, we got NAC A+ in 2025 with the highest score which anyone can get score, that is 3.48 CGPA. That was a fantastic, phenomenal work. I must say the academicians working behind, the brains working behind the Bennett University has done a fantastic job. So moving ahead to the next slide, because there are a lot of rankings and I'm sure we all know that rankings are very hard. Lot of pain goes, lot of hard work goes, lot of academia, student achievement, infra, lot of things are being added and we are keeping mind into that. So जब हम सूरत से मिले थे आज से कई साल पहले, जब हमारी जर्नी शुरू हुई थी 2007 में, हमने जब, I'm talking about myself, when I jumped into the higher education, I came from a glamour world. That was AHA, AHA Air Hostess Academy. So I used to head their centers. तो जब वहाँ पे आए और सडन चेंज हुआ करियर में, सो लगा अरे बाप रे, हायर एजुकेशन इज ऑल टुगेदर अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. सो बहुत रैगिंग भी की हमारे सीनियर्स ने, याद है मुझे वो दिन, बट ठीक है, वी केम ओवरकम. So pre-tech, it was not easy for all of us to work on admissions. It was not easy. I'm sure in this room also we have a lot of people sitting कि हमें क्या-क्या challenges आते थे. हमें बार-बार लगता था हम कैसे करें ये काम. तो मैन पावर बार-बार हायर करनी पड़ती थी. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मैन पावर हायर करनी पड़ती थी. फिर उसमें बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो सक्सेसफुल हो रहे हैं, नहीं हो रहे हैं. क्या-क्या challenges हैं, it became very difficult for us. So before we came up and the tech came into in, so applications स्टेगनेंट हो जाती थी. कन्वर्जन्स हम हो भी रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे, होमवर्क करना भी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता था, क्योंकि कितना मैनुअल काम करेंगे आप, कितना एक्सेल को, कितना आप पाइवट टेबल्स लगा के आप होमवर्क करेंगे उसके अंदर. मैनुअल आउटरीच चल रहा था, एफर्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे थे, मास कम्युनिकेशन चल रही थी, पर्सनलाइज कम्युनिकेशन नहीं भेज पा रहे थे. और हिंदुस्तान है, हिंदुस्तान में जब तक आप मिस्टर या मिस करके आप एड्रेस नहीं कर लें तो लगता है शायद आपसे बात नहीं की किसी ने. अगर पेरेंट को बोल दिया तो आज का जेनजी कहता है अरे आपने तो पेरेंट को लिखा था, हमें तो लिखा ही नहीं था. सो वी हैव दोज चैलेंजेस आल्सो व्हिच आर कमिंग अप. देन स्टूडेंट एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट भी बहुत हाई थी उस टाइम पे, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ मैनुअल वर्क वाज हैपनिंग. सो CPA, CPL जो भी हम बातचीत करते हैं अपनी सेल्स की लैंग्वेज में, इट वाज आल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. विजन क्लियर था, vision was very clear. We are not going to stop here. We need something which is smarter, scalable. Admissions तो करेंगे, numbers भी करेंगे और target भी करेंगे, but with a smarter way. So with that, we needed something which can take the digital tools to the modernization world. Scalable, क्योंकि promoters and we all know, जब तक हम scale नहीं करेंगे, applications का pool नहीं बढ़ाएंगे, तो selections नहीं कर पाएंगे. Everyone wants ज़्यादा applications ले आइए. I want to be choosy. I want to show कि मेरे पास 10,000 applications थी, मैंने सिर्फ 100 ही students choose किए. I wanted to be that seen in the different institution. So focus quality applications का भी था, volume नहीं चाहिए था खाली. So that was another vision which we have. Solution था, कोई एक ऐसा आ जाए जो एक automated CRM बना दे, एक ऐसा platform बना दे हमारे लिए, जहाँ से हमारी conversions, हमारी personalized communications, हमारा target audience, हमारे digital campaigns, सब चीज़ एक साथ इकट्ठी हो जाए. तो ये सबकी story है. This is all together when 2009, 10, 11, 12, we were working in this style only. My good all friends, I think Harsh sitting with me, मैं अक्सर हर्ष से शेयर करती रहती हूँ. ही इज़ फ्रॉम ओपी जिंदल, माई गुड फ्रेंड. सो हम लोग बातचीत करते रहते हैं आपस में. आई थिंक हर्ष, यू कैन एको दिस. यही सारी चैलेंजेस थी, वॉज इट? और यू वांट टू ऐड एनी चैलेंज टू इट? कोई और लग रहा है कि कुछ छोड़ दिया मैंने?
You covered it well. The biggest challenge was, of course, the paradigm shift from offline to online. That was the biggest challenge. I mean, of course, we'll discuss much deeper into it. But students' expectation today is as of Netflix and Prime, that they can go back, play 10 seconds of their favorite sport, and they can again go back and play again. That's the kind of personalized expectation students and every stakeholders have with each other. That's the challenge. And we all are trying to kind of come up with that, make it better. And Merito is kind of, everyone sitting here has been hand in hand. My journey is also around 6.5 years. I'm closely associated with Merito.
थैंक यू हर्ष. आई थॉट एक वैलिडेशन ले लें. इंडियंस है ना, थोड़ी थोड़ी वैलिडेशन मिलती रहे ना. प्रोफेसर्स बैठे हैं ना, वैलिडेशन मिलेगा तो लास्ट में क्वेश्चंस कम पूछेंगे मुझसे. तो मैंने कहा थोड़ा मैं अपने साइड पे वोट्स पहले ले लूँ. सो आई वांटेड टू बी लिटिल स्मार्टर ऑन दैट साइड. सो नाउ दिस वाज द टाइम व्हेन as I told, we wanted somebody to come in our life. So उसी दौरान I will not say Merito आया, but yes, few people like सूरज and his team अक्सर मिलते थे, बातचीत करते थे, पर बताया नहीं कभी सूरज आपने ये सारी इंटेलिजेंस इकट्ठी हो रही है और ये पीछे बन रहा है. But he was working very hard for all of us because he saw that what pain we all were going through. सबके intentions अच्छे थे, integrity अच्छी थी, passion अच्छा था. Everyone wanted to have good admissions for their institutions, but इतना सारा काम हो नहीं पा रहा था. I think that was a time when we both got involved in one system, that was the CRM, and we were very happy. And in 2017, I think Bennett was the first, one of the few first institution which adopted Merito as the CRM platform for their admissions and enrollments. So एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत थी. मेरिटो ने भी अपनी 7-8 ईयर्स की जर्नी में बहुत सारा कुछ इम्प्रूव भी किया, हमसे बातचीत भी करते रहे. अगेन आई वुड से दैट दे नेवर गेव अस द फील दैट दे आर द वेंडर्स टू अस और वी आर द क्लाइंट्स फॉर देम. दे हैव ऑलवेज बीन पार्ट ऑफ अस. वेर एवर वी फील स्टक, they used to be with us to help us and take us to the next level. So we needed a system which was very intelligent. अच्छा हुआ आपने थोड़ा जल्दी कर लिया, बिकॉज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आने पे तो और ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस हो गई हैं अब हमारी आपसे. सो वी नीडेड अ CRM विच वाज इंटेलिजेंट, एक ऐसा इंजन विच कैन हेल्प अस, हमारा बैकबोन बन जाए, हमारी एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट कम कर जाए. हमारी नौकरी चलती रहती है तब तक, एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट कम होती रहे तो. नर्चरिंग, फी कलेक्शन, वी नीडेड समबडी विच इज़ इंटेलिजेंट इनफ. जैसे मैं सोच रही हूँ वो सॉफ्टवेयर भी सोचता चला जाए. सो वी नीडेड समथिंग लाइक दैट एंड मेरिटो वाज सक्सेसफुल इन गिविंग अस द फेस 1 ऑफ देयर नो पेपर फॉर्म व्हेन इट वाज बीन नोन एज. देन वी नीडेड समथिंग विच, जो मेरे अभी पैनल में भी बात हो रही थी कि रोल बेस्ड चाहिए. सो रोल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आप हर एक को पूरा डैशबोर्ड भी नहीं दिखा सकते, आप वो कन्फ्यूज हो जाएगा. सो वी नीडेड समवन हु कैन हेल्प अस टू डू द रोल बेस्ड वर्क. मेरा काम है सिर्फ कॉलिंग का तो मुझे कॉलिंग दिखनी चाहिए. मेरा काम है रीमार्केटिंग का तो मुझे रीमार्केटिंग दिखना चाहिए. मेरा काम नर्चरिंग है तो नर्चरिंग दिखना चाहिए. सो वी नीडेड समबडी हु कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड वी कैन हैव स्मार्ट वर्क फ्लोज, डैशबोर्ड्स. ऐसे डैशबोर्ड्स हो मेरे प्रमोटर्स को रियल टाइम पे इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाए, उन्हें बार बार मेरे MIS की या मेरे रिव्यू की मीटिंग्स की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़े. ठीक है, that will still continue, that's part of the Indian systems, reviews and all and MIS, but still if they are sitting there, they can see the real time, they can barge in. And the very smart work is the plug in and plug out systems, where I can even listen to what my callers are talking to the other people. That was very, very blessings to us, जो आपने incorporate किया Merito team. Then, of course, we needed someone who can help us, which Merito again helped us to do the campaign management. And that was because multi-channel campaigns हैं. Everyone wants to be with us. आपकी एजेंसी चल रही है, आपके खुद के PPC campaigns चल रहे हैं, आपका SEO आप strong कर रहे हैं, आप partnerships कर रहे हैं shiksha.com से, college दुनिया से, and a lot of people. Then you have another channel sales, which you call consultants in our market. Then suddenly we started doing the outreach, so that data is there. So there was multi-level challenges which were coming up. So they also helped us in doing the maximizing the conversions from these touch points. And of course, we also wanted हमारे counselors की productivity रहे, because the counselors work on the incentive based. So we wanted to make them also happy. Then when what they are working, they should be also getting the real-time insights of their working, so that they can also do the meaningful engagement. ऐसा नहीं कि फ़ोन करके आपको फिर से एक नई conversation शुरू करनी पड़ रही है. आज आप देखिए कितना अच्छा सिस्टम है. आपके पास भी कॉल्स आते हैं अलग अलग कॉल सेंटर से, कहते हैं सर बात तो हुई थी, आपने कहा था 5 बजे कॉल करिएगा. So that kind of an intelligence, हम remarks छोड़ के जाते हैं. With that remarks, we can call them back. That gives the personal touch to the person to whom we are talking to. So that's another thing which we have done. And of course, the hyper personalized outreach that makes us very close to the people to whom we want to talk to. And अब तो हम personalized messages भी भेज पा रहे हैं, WhatsApp भी कर पा रहे हैं. And I think lot of things which are still more needed, which we are going to do. So this was the growth which we started. We started in 2017. It was a launch year. The launch year में aspirations बड़ी high होती हैं. Work बहुत hard होता है. We started doing that. Slightly we dipped in the next year because कुछ strategies काम की होंगी, कुछ नहीं की होंगी, कुछ alignment रहा, कुछ नहीं रहा. Then suddenly 2019, 2021 was a time when the COVID hit, and I think everyone was facing that. But 2021, we added to our negative growth, and we added approximately 2.6% to our applications. And we did the rebound with 60% in 2022, and we came back with the paid applications at that time. So that was the time when we said that yes, अगर Merito नहीं होता तो शायद इतना सारा, थोड़ा सा क्रेडिट दे देती हूँ, नहीं तो मेरी टीम वैसे सुन रही है पीछे कि एफर्ट्स तो हमारे भी थे, but still you played a big role to all of us because you were helping us to manage that thing. So अगर manage नहीं करते तो फिर से spill over हो जाता, because growth was coming to us in a tremendous. In 2022, we grew from 3,000 to 6,000, and today Bennett is on 12,000, and this year we will be touching 18,000, and we have a capacity of 12,000 students staying on campus. So this is our growth journey of Bennett University, where we just started 9 years back. So this is a kind of an evolution, what I feel. Now, as I told, Merito is still not stopping, and I'm sure they will not stop. They kept on adding new things. They added chatbots. They added a lot of emails, SMS tools and softwares to us, predictive models to us, which really helped us to grow and talk to the people, the scoring part, ads. No, we felt really हमारा पैसा बचा. We actually did a lot of paid and remarketing campaigns with this platform, and we were able to आप ये कह सकते हैं कि हमें timely information मिलती चली गई कि हमें काम कैसे करना चाहिए, and they were becoming a kind of an intelligence advisor to us also. Real time human feel मिलता गया because we were chatbots. Students रात में 11 बजे 12 बजे भी बात कर रहे हैं chatbot से, तो chatbot is answering. We are happily sleeping. We know somebody is working for us. So they also worked us during that hours for us. And of course, chatbot helps us to talk about in a behavior system. Portal was smoother. Few drops offs नहीं थे सूरज, बहुत सारे drop offs थे. मैं आज ticketing का पूरा record लेके नहीं आई हूँ. But yes, we have lot of drop offs. लड़ाई झगड़ा जारी रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं रहेगा. Lot of things still to be added to us. But yes, it helps us. My team will vouch for that. And that we had a good ROI return. हमारा CRM daily का dashboard अब हमें एक जगह मिल गई है honestly. When we do the daily morning meetings, we knew that there is somebody who will work out intelligent way in the mornings. We open our dashboards, we open our customized reports that helps us to make the campaigns on daily basis. It helps us to understand what our counselors should do. It helps us which platform is giving us a better result. हाँ, कुछ लड़ाइयाँ भी होती हैं प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शरी के चक्कर में, बट ठीक है, दैट आई थिंक स्टिल इट वाज इन फेवर ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस. इट वाज इन फेवर ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस, बट वो हम संभाल लेते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा मार्केटिंग वाले स्मार्टली काम कर लेते हैं. So my professors have validated that with the noding head. Thank you, sir. So that has given us a better ROI, and we very proudly say that this is the homework for Merito. Please आप सब लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए इसका. ये सब लोग सूरज को मेल कर देंगे. अब हमें ये चाहिए, and we really want all of you to work very hard. We need something which is on personalization, Merito's AI powered solutions. I'm sure शुरू हो चुका है थोड़ा थोड़ा. हमें क्लोजर इंटीग्रेशन चाहिए डिपार्टमेंट्स के साथ. अभी हम क्या करें, अभी हम इंटीग्रेशंस करते हैं. कभी हम कॉल पॉल को लाते हैं, कभी हम कैम्यू लाते हैं, हम मेरिटो के साथ उसको इंटीग्रेट कराते हैं. इट्स अ पेन. So Suraj and team, you should actually see how you can help us to come up into that. So this is your next homework. मैंने सबको स्क्रीनशॉट दे दिया है. आज शाम तक सारी मेल्स आ जाएंगी आप लोगों के पास, and you can start working. So we need to build a strong peer-to-peer influence also. And इसमें सूरज आप लोग alumni को भी डालिएगा. While I was coming here, I thought कि once the student is with the university, it should remain with the university. Add some pointers for the alumni also, wherein they can also come back, chat. They can help our students to take the admissions. That is also very important to us. And of course, explore and engage the new geographies. खाली geographies नहीं, अब global की बात करिए सूरज. We have a lot of international universities which are coming. Everyone sitting here now needs another step. We need to see how we will work into the global landscape as well. So that's another homework which I want to give all of you. मेरी जर्नी तो रुकने वाली नहीं है बेनेट के साथ. And year on year we will be working stronger, and this community will keep on improving, engaging, of course, with the platform like Merito. Once again, thank you all of you to be so patient listening to me. Thank you so much. Hitangshi, over back to the Merito team. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Tukral, for sharing so insightful and inspiring journey of Bennett University.